I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to mute and unmute using the smart solar remote. So when you look at this remote, there's no mute or unmute button, but you can actually mute or unmute the TV using this volume button. So on the volume, you push it up to increase volume, as you can see, or push it down to reduce volume. So to mute, you just press the volume button down. Okay, so the volume button, just press it down, and as you can see, that mutes the TV, and pressing it down again and mutes the TV. Okay, so there you go. Mute, you can see the mute icon there, right there. So mute and unmute. And that's basically how to do that on your Samsung Smart TV using the smart solar remote. Thanks for watching and good luck.